This is a cute design, slim clear case with a tempered glass screen protector for the Google Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro. I was sent a review from Gviewin. So let me show you a closer look. You can feel the flowers on there. Product page says it uses advanced printing technology, so these will be durable and not fading. They just feel really nice, almost like a sticker, but they're not gonna scratch off or anything. Just so cute. This is the A Floratopia colorful variation. They also have a ton of other designs. This is for the 10 and 10 Pro, but they also have one for the 10 Pro XL. That's a different variation. This is just for the 10, 10 Pro. You've got shock-proof corners, a hard PC back, with hard-ish TPU sides, a little bit soft there with some give. So that's really gonna help protect your phone from scratches and drops, all that jazz. There is a really great 0.05-inch bezel to protect your 3 camera lenses back here. 0.11 inches bezel to protect your screen, but don't forget it also comes with this tempered glass screen protector, yes. So you can install that or not, it's up to you, but it's nice that it comes with it. And the installation package, so you can clean, dry, use the dust stickers, all that to get your screen nice and clean before you install it. You've got cutouts on the bottom for your port, your speakers. Over here, your buttons are covered with the clear matching buttons. So it's really cool. While you have the floral design, you're also gonna see the color of the phone that you chose. So I love that little combo. Product page says the finish is anti-fingerprint, anti-yellowing. It's not slippery, it's not tacky, it's just a nice feel. If looking for a cute protective case for your Google Pixel 10 and Google Pixel 10 Pro, this is a great one from Gviewin.